In this video, we're going to take a look at processing ACH payments. So I'm in accounts payable, I'm in the pay bills screen. I have put in ACH as my payment method. And any of my vendors that have ACH set up on the vendor file are going to pop up here. So of Pacific Petroleum, I'm going to select this one. My bank account is already selected, my payment date, and I'm going to pay now. And that should give me a little pop-up when it's done to say that it was successful. Okay, one payment request was processed successfully. So next step in the process then is to go to payment files and ACH file generation. So here's my bill that I just paid for Pacific Petroleum. I'm going to select that and I'm going to generate the file. And that's going to bring me automatically into my ACH payment file. So here is today's the one I just did there for Pacific Petroleum. And then I can download that and I can send it to my bank, and that is where they do the actual process of the ACH. So I would download this, send it to my bank, they put through the ACH payments, and then I would come back in here when the payment goes through and confirm that it's been done. So that's how you do ACH payments within Intacct.